Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you this project that I was inspired to make from Septeria18 here on YouTube. And if you don't know who she is, I'll leave her a link to her channel in the description box below there. She does a lot of fun projects with 6x6 papers and the envelope punch board. And this one I was inspired to make out of the 6x6 papers. So this is the envelope I came up with, front and back, and I put some lace here, a butterfly punch there, some die cuts, and some more die cuts here, and some nail stickers, which I use in crafting a lot, like these bows. I put, you know, around here, and this nail sticker I put like on the unicorn butt there. And this is a confetti piece from Party City that I'd bought, and some stickles in there. And then when you turn it over, I got some swan die cuts here, a bow sticker there, some more lace, and some more swan die cuts there, and some pretty little flowers with some stickles in the middle. And then I made this little paper clip to hold this closed so I didn't have to use Velcro to make it thicker. And there's just a little more goodie package in there. And then a couple more die cuts here. And then a unicorn there. So yeah, there's a pocket there, a couple of tuck spots here, and then a couple of tuck spots here. So I'll show you how I made this. Just put that aside. And this is one of the papers I had gotten from a dollar store. It's a little bit out of the way, but it's really fun colored papers. I just love it. Really pretty. So I think I'll try making this color. So as I said, they're like a 6x6 size of paper, and with this one, and you want something that's not gonna have a pattern that goes a certain way, because it will it'll be upside down. But if you're okay with that, that's fine too. So, you know, I just put it on the tip here and kind of eyeball it, and I'm gonna bring it up to like the 5-inch mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to fold it up to this line, or if you got a scoreboard you can do it that way too, but I'm just going to do this. Do it like that, and then this piece I'm going to take and bring it back down. Now it doesn't quite look centered here. So I want this point going the same way. This paper's never exactly square, is it? So we're just going to bend the point back down to here, like that. And then where these 2 points are, we're going to just fold that back. So the point is right here. So we're just going to keep that square there. And just try to get it as close as you can. And then this one, same thing. We're just going to fold it back and try to get it close to that point. And then we can just do a little tuck there, but we'll be doing some gluing down also. And then we're just going to fold this one down in here, and that'll be our background there. So for gluing, I love the Beacon 3-in-1 glue. I'm going to glue it all down here. So glue that down, and then I want to to glue this into here. So I'm just going to put glue, or I should have kept that pattern up. Oh well, I got more. So we're just going to tuck that in there like that. And make sure it's all glued. And that's the great thing about using wet glue too. It's very forgiving. You can move it any way you want. And then for this tuck spot here, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the ends. Now obviously to use double-sided paper would be the more ideal thing, so that these aren't left white. But you can definitely decorate it up with stickers or bows or flowers, you know, or you can cut out a square piece. Here, let me show you. Okay, so to make the corner pieces for the white showing, if you didn't use double-sided paper, what I do is I measure it this way, and it's just under 1 3/4. Actually, it's 1 5/8. So 1 5/8, and the bottom is 3 1/4. So I'm just going to use this scrap piece here, and so it was 1 5/8. So 1 2 3 4, 1 5/8. And I think I said 3 1/4, yes, 3 1/4. So we put it up to 3 1/4. And then we're going to want to cut this in half. So 3 1/4 is 1 1/8. And then we're just going to take this diagonally and cut these pieces. And then all you have to do is glue down these pieces, and they'll all fit. Just like that. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. And thanks for watching, everybody, and have a good day. Bye for now.